Your body isn't breaking down because you're getting older. It's breaking down because nobody taught you these 5 positions. Doctors call them movement anchors, and losing them is why people end up stiff, hunched, and dependent on pain medication by their 60s. Do these every morning, and you'll move better than most 30-year-olds. Number 4 is the one everyone skips, and it's probably why your shoulders are already suffering. Number 1, the wall squat hold. As you get older, the tissues around your knees quietly start to break down, not because of aging, but because you stopped loading them. Your knee stabilizers need consistent pressure to stay strong. Without it, they weaken, and every step you take starts costing you more than it should. The wall squat hold is how you fix that. Here's how to do it. Place your back flat against the wall. Slowly slide down until your thighs are level with the floor. Press your heels into the ground and keep your full spine in contact with the wall behind you. Breathe normally. Do not hold your breath. Stay in this position for 60 seconds. This is how you rebuild the foundation your knees depend on for decades. Number 2, the floor hip rotation hold. Your lower back is taking the blame for a problem it didn't cause. When your hips lose their ability to rotate freely, your spine is forced to pick up the slack, and that's when the pain starts. The real fix isn't in your back. It's in your hips. The floor hip rotation hold goes directly into the hip joint and restores the rotation your body has lost from years of sitting in chairs. Here's how to do it. Sit on the floor and position both legs at 90-degree angles, one knee in front of you, one out to the side. Sit tall and keep your spine straight. If you feel yourself leaning to one side, place your hands on the floor for support or sit on a folded blanket to raise your hips slightly. Hold for 30 seconds on each side. 1 minute total to unlock hips that have been stuck for years. Number 3, the full depth squat. At some point in life, most people quietly lose the ability to squat all the way down. They don't notice it happening until one day they can't get up on the floor without grabbing something. The full depth squat is a position your body was built for. Losing it is not inevitable. It's a warning sign. Holding this position acts like maintenance for your joints. It drives fresh nutrition into your hips and knees and keeps the cartilage alive and functional. Here's how to do it. Lower yourself into a squat as deep as your body allows. Your heels must stay completely flat on the ground. Do not let them rise. If you feel like you're going to fall backward, hold onto a stable surface in front of you. Hold the position for 60 seconds. Every second you spend here is giving your joint something no supplement can. Number 4, the lying chest opener. Modern life has designed the perfect posture trap. Screens pull your head forward. Desks round your shoulders. Driving collapses your chest. Over time, your upper spine loses its ability to rotate, and that's when shoulder pain and neck stiffness become permanent residents. The lying chest opener is a direct antidote. It specifically targets upper back rotation and forces your chest to open in a way it hasn't in years. Here's how to do it. Lie on your side with both knees bent and stacked on top of each other. Stretch both arms out straight in front of you. Take your top arm and slowly sweep it across your body, rotating toward the floor on the opposite side. Let your eyes follow your moving hand the entire time. Keep your knees locked together throughout. This is what makes a stretch hit your spine instead of your hips. Hold for 30 seconds per side. You will feel your upper back release almost instantly. Number 5, the flat back core hold. This is the exercise that most people have never heard of, and it's the one protecting your spine matters most. Real core strength has nothing to do with visible abs. It's about the deep stabilizing muscles that wrap around your spine like a natural brace. These muscles go dormant with age and inactivity, and when they stop working, your lower back becomes completely exposed. The flat back core hold wakes them back up. Here's how to do it. Lie flat on your back and press your entire spine into the floor. There should be no gap between your lower back and the ground. None. Lift your feet a few inches off the floor and raise your shoulders slightly at the same time. Do not let your back arch. If it starts to lift, bring your knees in toward your chest to reduce the load. Hold for 60 seconds. This position builds a kind of internal strength that keeps you active, upright, and independent for life. Your 5-minute daily routine. Wall squat hold, 60 seconds. Floor hip rotation hold, 30 seconds each side. Full depth squat, 60 seconds. Lying chest opener, 30 seconds each side. Flat back core hold, 60 seconds. 5 minutes. every single day. No equipment, no excuses. If keeping your knees strong for the long term is your goal, the next video covers exactly what most people get completely wrong about knee health. Watch it next. Start today, and I'll see you there.